Hello and welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. And in today's video, we're going to be diving into XRP. And yes, guys, finally we'll cover some XRP analysis. And this is a make or break. So it could really make all your XRP armies really happy. So if you find that interesting and informative, guys, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications. So let us get into the video. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So before I do anything else, I want to quickly show you all what I do on a day-to-day basis to find myself a decent chart or a chart that I reckon that will have potential move to the upside or to the downside, and how I'll set myself up for the day, starting off with the XRP chart. So firstly, let's bring out the arrows so you can see exactly what I'm talking about and which areas I'm looking at. So firstly, as we can see here, we've actually created like lower high, higher high, and eventually we continue to make these upwards movements like so. Now this movement is quite a decent move because if you think about it, we're almost creating like this shape. Hang on a second, like so. It looks like we are going on the upward trajectory like that, which is pretty nice. However, if we then, let's have a look. If we then look to this area over here, it looks like that we could possibly be breaking down back into this zone or area there. Let's get rid of this now. And again, sorry guys, I'm actually using my laptop, and yeah, I'm kind of struggling here already, which is not good news. But you know what? I like to keep it raw, fresh, and organic, so that way you can see me making some fumbles, which is absolutely normal. I'm not going to delete it at all. But anyway, as we can see over here, that we have created this down movements over here. That's only because if we look to the left, we've printed some of the green candles. We didn't quite reach up to 75 cent. We've in fact created like a double top here before it made its decision to come back down to refill this area of invalidation, which means we are likely to either go further down, and if we do, it looks like our area of interest for support, as well as a potential lovely long trade, it would be approximately in this area over there. So as you can see, a couple of these weeks, that's 1-2 weeks into the area. However, we do look a sign as if we're going to be heading up further way down, unless we change this small little candle there into a green, with a possibility of upside movements from there, from the current price of 52 cents all the way to 66 cents. Now, in terms of percentage in gains from there today, you could be looking at around about 28%. That's pretty cool actually, because you can actually 3x leverage that, and that will give you more than, let me do quick maths, 84% move to the upside. And that would be pretty decent move if you was to leverage trade this by 3, 4, or even 10. But guys, be careful with your leverage trading, only because leverage trading can literally get you wicked out of your trade, or possibly if you don't have any stop losses, you could actually blow your account. So once again, be careful. This is not a financial advice, just letting you know exactly what I'm doing and how I'm prepare myself for the XRP chart. So with that in mind, it looks like if we extend the support line or rectangle, this is a major area of liquidity, because we've either tested in these areas as a resistance and support multiple times. So I don't see why we won't come down any further. So for me, I'll be looking to trade anyway here with a view of upside going there. However, once we do break up above the 66 cents, we should easily head away back up to our 74, 75 cents. And for XRP, I reckon we'll clear the candle wicks over here, and I reckon we'll definitely hit $1, within the coming weeks. So you have to really position yourself in order for you to capitalize on that. And the way that I'm going to do that is by loading myself up with trades in this area over here, with a view of us breaking to the upside. So the kind of move that I'll be thinking of, no, not thinking, the kind of expecting once we do hit further down in this zone over here, is to be something like this, If we do something like that, then I don't see we're going to go straight back up, but we're going to be at least retesting back into the zone, something similar to that. It won't be exact because let's face it, the charts can do whatever in a short or longer period of time, or even parabolically for all we know, depending on the market sentiments and what's going on with XRP. This is sort of moves I'll be looking at for a bullish continuation to the upside. Now, in this channel, we'd like to share the bullish and the worst case scenario, the bearish. So what I'll do is I'm going to turn this one into a red arrow. Fantastic. So if we don't hold, within the rectangle area, and we break below, then I can actually see us going even further down and to retest the areas of 35 cents in this sort of region over here, anywhere between 35 to 33 cents. That would kind of make sense if we do break down below this level. And if that was to happen, I must be drawing up my levels of interest, which would be roughly around about here, because you see all the major uh, liquidity over here, as well as being acted as support. So this would be a very good trade to go to the downside if we do break up. Once again, I can't see us shooting down straight away. I can see us more or less staircasing, doing something similar to this, like that, and find a way back into this sort of area over here. And if that was to play out, we could still make huge gains from either to the upside or to the downside, and we could be expecting around about 28, maybe even 30% move. Yep, about 30% move to the downside. So that's your bullish and bearish view on the chart. But we do look more than likely that we are going to head back to the upside, only because we have created this like lovely move to the upside, like so. And whenever we're making a decent move to the upside, we should also be expecting a nice little pullback. This is the perfect pullback, and we should start loading up here. In fact, if you are a hodler, and if you do break that, it doesn't matter whether you've added more to your bags here, there, because eventually XRP, I reckon, is going to head up at least roughly around about $5 to maybe even $10 per coin. So you might as well load up further down to make some serious gains. So I hope you find this useful and informative. If you do like my channel, please subscribe right over here. And if you'd like to see my next one, watch my channel by clicking over here as well. And I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers, bye.